Hey, hi. Today we're going to review this AI. It's called Higgsfield AI. We're going to see how you can actually get free credits and also how to use it and other interesting things that you didn't know about Higgsfield. Okay, now, first of all, when you sign up, they usually give you 5 credits. Okay, they give you 5 credits, and so far I've used them. And when you're creating it, they actually tell you like 45 minutes, I think, though it does. Because here, when I was creating it, they told me like 45, but I realized actually it didn't take 45 minutes to generate this video. They tell you 45 minutes, then they tell you to generate it faster, you can upgrade. But I haven't upgraded it yet. I'm using it on a free version. And this is the video that I've actually created. Let me see actually how it goes. Okay. Okay. It's a simple video that I've created like for 5 seconds. I'm just testing 1, 2, 3. So with this AI, you start by actually logging in. You can log in with a free email, something like that. And let me first go back to the start. You click on create, then you can select a video or image. You can do other stuff. You can draw. There's a lot of things which I haven't tested them yet. Mainly what I'm doing is actually I get inspirations from this AI. For example, this, when I went to Earth zoom out effect, I love this prompt. I can improve this to actually integrate it in movies that I'm trying to do for AI or some effects. For example, this is a cool prompt like the camera pulls back rapidly from the subject to reveal the city, then a coordinate, something like that. So this is a kind of a good script. You can use it on your own project to kind of play with these effects. Okay, there's a lot of effects that actually I really find cool. And these prompts are actually public. You can easily get them and try to do something with them. Okay, let me try to select one and kind of, for example, this pizza fall. Let me click on it. The prompt is slices of pizza rain down from the sky, piling up around the subject, fun, absurd, and deliciously squishy. Something like that. Okay. So you can easily get this and try to, try to improve it into your own and stuff like that. So there's a lot of actually examples of scripts that you can, prompts that you can use. I really love this stuff. Okay. They have lots of prompts, lots of prompts. So going back to these guys give you like 5 credits and I've used them. I don't think I can really create another video. But if you want to get more credits, you just have to create another email in another browser. Sometimes if you use the same browser, they will not see it's you again, and they may refuse to give you they may fail to give you the free credits actually. So you may have to use another browser if you want to get free credits. So what I can say is you can get them and pay these guys because I think they deserve it. They're not that so expensive. It's you can have like $9 per month for 150 credits. But generally, if you're kind of trying to practice all this stuff, you can just always use a new email. You just have to sign up with a new email in a new browser, and that is it. And for some of you who are trying to get some scripts, ideas, prompts ideas, these guys have really good prompts that you can actually check out. Okay, very good ones. I think let me try to click on one of these. Let me see. Okay, let me see this. Grab. Okay. A cursor hand reaches down from above, seeing the subject is overwhelming force, blah, blah, blah. So this is kind of cool. You can just actually use it and do something and upload the videos on your TikTok. See you guys in the next video. If you enjoy videos about AI, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. You can leave me a like and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.